Welcome back to Cruising with the Wild Herons. Hey everybody. So far we have had a lot of boat projects that have been underway and many have been completed already. So I've got some footage for you to see about the projects that we've been doing. Hope you enjoy them. So right now we're in the process of re-caulking all around our master bathtub because somewhere there's a leak, and the only place it could leak is from the edges where there's caulking, and some of the caulking looked pretty nasty, so Tad took it all out and we're going to re-caulk it, especially over here around the edge was where we think the biggest leak, right under this lip under here, because it's coming out over here, over there, and then over here. There's, you can see evidence of an old leak right here. And that would correlate with this corner here where it was leaking from. We'll see. We'll see when we fix it. So I just took a shower and the leaks are gone. As you can see, no water anywhere. Yay, Tad, good job. Last week when we were here, the V-berth had a funky smell. So I looked underneath the rug into the bilge, only to find that the bilge had water in it that was not being pumped out. So once again, break out another 1,000. The float switch was not working, and the sump pump, the sump pump box was overflowing from the shower. So 2 problems, but we drained it out and I sprayed it out with some bleach and the smell is gone. So that's where the smell was coming from. So here's the bilge pump in here. There's the float switch that failed. This thing was full of water to where you could see the little water line, that dirty water line. And then there's the box. This overflowed when we ran the shower water. So this is what all needs to be repaired today.
Well, there's the drain right there. Where'd you find?
In the cabinet there at Boundless Gloves. Tad's gonna do surgery on the sump box. Putting on his surgical gloves. If the glove doesn't fit, you didn't.
You must have quit.
You must have quit. Oh, here we go. Nastiness. Look at that. Ew, and that float switch is up.
The float switch is up. The sump pump is not coming on. So now the question is the float switch broken or is the sump pump broken?
It does look kind of dirty and freaking nasty.
Yeah, okay. The next thing we gotta do is pump that out. We gotta drain that. Where's
This is a job for the shop vac.
need some paper towels and stuff?
So, told you guys at one point that we had all our windows resealed to prevent any leaks, because we had 2 windows that were leaking, so we had these redone. We also had the wing doors resealed, and there's a door from our bedroom, that one was resealed as well. much to our dismay, we found another leak. This is our portholes in the flybridge. I don't know if you can see, but right there, the lining is coming out, that seal. Same thing on this porthole. You can see that hanging. So this will be a job for another day, fixing the leaky portholes. Well, that's enough boat projects for this week. I gotta say, I'm really impressed with my husband Tad for taking on these projects and getting them done, fixing everything, saving us a boat unit or two, and I wouldn't have been able to do it. Anyways, thanks for joining us. Ciao. Stay tuned for more Cruising with the Wild Herons.